Hello, I'm Raylib and today I'm on Windows 11. Don't ask me how, I believe you all know. And I managed to get Raylib works on VS Code. To be exact, I found this video explaining how. All you need to do is to go inside Raylib's folder, then you will find the project folder, go inside it, then inside the VS Code folder, copy what's inside, make a folder, open it inside VS Code, paste the files you copied and hit F6. If you get this window, you're good to go. A bit of what happened in the past few days. Originally, I was planning to release a short video about this 4 days ago, but since Microsoft ended Windows 10 support on the 14th of October, I had to switch the OS I'm using. Some people said that it's fine and you just need to download an antivirus, but I don't like taking risks in these cases. Long story short, from Windows 10 to Windows 10 LTSC. TLDR, my PC was shutting down for no reason on the LTSC version, so in this one didn't even get to the installation menu for Windows 11. Seeing that both are not working, I decided to go with Pop OS, a Linux distro. I have nothing to say here other than it was smooth and faster, cleaner than Windows 10. It wasn't like Windows, and more importantly, the installation process didn't take long. You can still play Windows games on Linux, but setting up everything was a problem for me. I used Lutris, Heroic Game Launcher, and Wine, but I got nothing. So I decided to leave it for another day, because it wasn't on my priority list currently. But the real reason why I switched back to Windows, there were two reasons actually. The first one was CapCut, an editing software that works only on Windows. On Linux I found Kdenlive complicated. Shortcut was fine until I didn't know how to use text inside it. It had a subtitle based text fixed on the bottom and you can't move it. Let's just say that if I want to use the editing software, I'm gonna need to learn the app again, which was going to take a few days and a few weeks to get used to it. The second reason was finding out that Windows 11 can work on my old laptop. I don't have an explanation for that other than I downloaded the ISO file and Rufus on my brother's PC, and it worked. It wasn't as fast or smoothly as Ubuntu when it was installed on it, but still, he was dying long ago. So I decided to give it another chance and installed Windows 11 again, and this time it worked, and that is how I'm on Windows 11. Now while I'm saying this, I'm dreading the day the watermark will show up. Anyway, that was all. Thank you for watching. I was planning to release more videos, but I accidentally wiped my HDD drive while installing Windows 11. So yeah, my 2 videos are gone now. Drop a like if you liked the video, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time.